If you're serious about your fitness goals, or even just getting started, one of the best things you can do is track your workouts. Today, I'm going to show you a simple and effective workout planner in Google Sheets that helps you stay consistent, measure your progress, and make smarter training decisions all in one place. And if you'd like to try this planner for yourself, you'll find the link in the description below. The workout planner includes several sheets that you can rotate between depending on your training split. There are 4 main workout tabs labeled Workout A, B, C, and D. You can assign them however you want. There's also a separate tab for cardio sessions, and finally, a progress dashboard where all your data is summarized with helpful charts that visualize your improvements over time. This setup gives you a full picture view of your training, both in structure and performance, and it's easy to adapt to your specific goals. On each workout sheet, you can enter up to 8 exercises per session. At the top of the table, you'll find a space to record the date. That way, you can always look back and track when each workout took place. For each exercise, you fill in the number of sets, the number of reps, and the weight you used. The planner automatically calculates the total volume for you based on those numbers. And don't worry if your workout doesn't follow the exact format. If you skip a set or only do 3 rounds instead of 5, just leave it blank or type in a quick note. The structure stays clean and nothing breaks. This section becomes the core of your training journal, and the more consistently you log, the more insights you'll get later. And that's a full look at the workout planner in Google Sheets. It's a straightforward but powerful system to help you plan your sessions, log your results, and most importantly, stay consistent. You can adapt it to your own training style, add new exercises, or build in progressions over time. And because it's all in a spreadsheet, there's no limit to how detailed or simple you want to keep it. If you'd like to try the planner, the link is waiting for you in the description. And before you go, let me know in the comments, what's your favorite exercise to track? Or maybe one you're trying to improve this month. Thanks so much for watching, and good luck with your training.